Have you done your warm-ups yet? Your vocal warm-ups! Warm-ups! Have you done it? Be ready, we have a song with a big range today. Right, yes, people are coming in. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, how are you today? You can say hello to each other in the chat. Hello, good morning, good evening, good morning. Right, welcome. Now, if we have any new people, you know the format of these sessions is quite easy. We sing through the tune, we translate the text and sing one verse with text, talk about the song. If you want to say anything, yeah, say something in the chat, use the chat. Right, a few people are still coming in, and let's start with sitting upright wherever you are, chair, bed, whatever feels comfortable, upright and rolling your shoulders and waking up a bit. And if you feel okay to stretch, and we're going to breathe right into our guts, right into our belly, and sing an R, any pitch, anything, just to feel where your sound is today. Breathe in into the guts. I've muted you now, but it was nice to hear these voices, different voices there, warming up. So, I don't know how many of you managed to see that little clip of that I posted on Facebook announcing this session today of a woman warming up. Did anyone see that? It's a very fun film. The song comes from a Soviet film, 1934, 1935, a fantastic Soviet film. I haven't seen it since I was a child. I'm going to go back to it tonight. Watch this film. The link I sent you on my website is for the whole film. It's amazing and it's great. Yes, Neil, you're always great with your backgrounds. Yeah, so your background today is from that film. Yes, I can see there's people dancing. People find Neil and you see the video, the little black and white thing on his screen. That's fantastic. Here comes the tune. Now, it's also quite a wide range. This one, like yesterday's Jewish song, we're taking kind of a middle key for us. Most of us should be able to sing in that key. It goes quite low, quite high. We may want to sing it a tone lower, a tone higher as the session goes, yeah, later. Here comes the tune. I want to sing it just like that without showing you the music one time through, just to put it into your ear. La 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 la. So it's a fun tune. It's a fun tune. Write your comments. Jolly Fellows, yeah. There are two different Jolly Fellow films. So this was a Soviet film. I think there is a later Western film. This is kind of like Happy Lads in Russian. I would translate it like something like that. B section in Margie in USA. Interesting. This tune has become famous. It's now sung in Polish, Portuguese. It's become an Argentinian kind of tango sung in Spanish as well. Now let me take you to the tune. The tune in our music is in E minor, which is quite high, manageable for high tenors and manageable for high sopranos. We are not singing it in that tune, okay? In that key. That comes the tune. let's go together slowly. 2, 3, and now. La 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 la. 2, 3, 1. La 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 la. How is that? One more time from the beginning. La 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 la. La 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 la. Listen further. La 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 la. La 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 la. So let's go from the high note. Yeah, that's your second line. Okay, you see it says AM, it says nolish in English and Russian. Second bar on the second page, second line, and go now. La 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 la. We'll go from the beginning through the verse and from the top. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. And one more time. Da 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 da. La 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 la. La 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 la. Now, what we often hear in, when Russians sing it, or I think maybe in the film when Utyosov, the famous Russian jazz guy, the actor in that film, he sings the second time round, he sings that top note up, and you might hear me do it. And then go up. Okay. Let me see who else has turned up. Should we do the whole tune one more time from the beginning? Okay, and then we'll carry on into chorus. Let's go there again. Sing with me, let's go. Da 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 da. La 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 la. La 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 la. One more time. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Listen. La 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 la. Sing with me if you know the tune. La 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 la. We'll try this whole second section one more time, the chorus. Before we do that, let's look at the very, very end. There is a lot of this little chromatic movement. Ta da dee da dee da. Ta da da dee da da. Listen. Ta da da dee da da. Let's sing it together. La 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 dee da da. Yes. Let me see your smiley, hopefully, faces. Yes. Okay. Right, let's sing chorus. Let's go back to chorus and sing it together. Now, I know that Yiddish choirs, my Yiddish choirs, you have sung it as hearts, minds in Yiddish. It also exists in Yiddish, so look out for it if you're a Yiddish singer. So we're going from where it says serce, when it changed from minor to major, yeah? And we're going la la la, chorus, let's go. La la. La you are. I'm unmuting you.
I love it, love it.
Yeah, fabulous.
Good.
My dog's like.
That's a good tune. That's a good, easy tune. I thought it was a bit of a later tune. I thought it was like, because through my Soviet childhood, everyone was singing it. I did not think it was such an old tune. 34. It was actually composed for the film. And the film came out in 1934. 34, I think.
Yeah, 34.
I'm hearing someone. Muting you all. So I believe that straight after the film came out, Pyotr Leshchenko, who was a wonderful Russian art song singer, beautiful melodic kind of, types of tunes, and he made it into a tango. It was not sung like that at first. It was sung like a Russian art song, like a romance at first, much more melodic, less rhythm. But in the film, it's already rhythmical. Do watch that fragment. He falls off the tree at the end. Oh, it's tragic. So let's look at what it means. Let's look at our text. Oh, somebody says, I can't see the link on your page to watch the film. Right. If the link is not on my page, if I just didn't manage to put it there, I thought I did, I'll try to remember that and I'll put the link there. Otherwise, if you look up Jolly Fellas Soviet film 1934, you will find it, English subs. You should be able to find it. I'll try to put it there. So let's look at our text. I'm going to read the line. You read it with me the second time around, and then we'll translate it. We'll go through the whole song like this. Как много девушек хороших. Let's go together. Как много девушек хороших. Okay? Девушек, шик, yeah? Как is how, много, many, lots, девушек, young women, girls, хороших, хорошо, good, well, nice. How many nice girls are there? Yeah, there are so many nice girls around. Second line. Как много ласковых имен. Let's go together and now. Как много ласковых имен. Good. Как много is the same. How many? Ласковых is gentle, soft. Имен is names. How many lovely names there are, endearing names. Next line. Third line. Но лишь одно из них тревожит. I'll stop here, but the musical line is longer. Remember, we'll break it up. I'll do it one more time. Listen. Но лишь одно из них тревожит. Do what you can. Let's go together. And now. Но лишь одно из них тревожит. Okay? Но, but, лишь, only, одно, one. Из них, out of them all, тревожит gives me worries. But only one name interests me. Yeah? Next line. Унося покой и сон. Let's go. Унося покой и сон. Okay? Унося, taking away. Покой, calm. И сон, and sleep. Yeah? But only one name worries me, and it takes away my sleep and my calm. And the last line, когда влюблен. Now you have gd, yeah? Consonants together in Russian all over the place. Когда влюблен. Let's go. Когда влюблен. Влюблен. Когда is when, влюблен, in love. Yeah? Fallen in love. So you get the meaning, and your translation is on the right. Now, it will be tricky to sing the long line on one breath, the whole thing. But we need to practice it before we sing it. Listen how it goes. Но лишь одно из них тревожит, унося покой и сон. See, it's a long line. That one. Let's say it. So we're looking at no leash. That's your fourth line in the middle, or third line in the Russian and Cyrillic. No leash. Let's go. Но лишь одно из них тревожит, унося покой и сон, когда влюблен. Right? Let me see your faces. You're not so puzzled. You're okay. You're getting on okay with it. It's a bit texty, this song, and it's a bit wider range than our simplest songs. I'm trying to vary our material. So let's see how it is. We'll try to sing the first part of verse now together. Yeah? Now you can always do la-la-las. You can always do whatever you like. You won't see the tune now. Hopefully you know it by now. You will see text. Let's go. 1, 2, slowly. Как много девушек хороших, как много ласковых имен, но лишь одно из них тревожит, унося покой и сон, когда влюблен. Do it one more time from the beginning. Как много девушек хороших, как много ласковых имен, но лишь одно из них тревожит, унося покой и сон, когда влюблен. And then we just take off and sing chorus, right? I am unmuting you for a second to see how you are.
Love it.
Lovely.
Very nice. Fabulous. Like this one.
Good. That's good. That's good. There are lots of things happening here. People are saying hello to each other. Right. Yeah. Compliments to people's dresses. Nothing I need to know right now. Okay. Okay. So we're going back. This time I will show you text under the music because that first half of the verse is shown under the music. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah? Right. Let's go. Как много девушек хороших, как много ласковых имен, но лишь одно из них тревожит, унося покой и сон, когда влюблен. Sing it one more time. Как много девушек хороших, как много ласковых имен, но лишь одно из них тревожит, унося покой и сон, когда влюблен. Stop. Let's look at our text. The next thing you need to know is сердце. Even if you don't know Russian, сердце is a very good word to know. And it means heart. This whole song is about the heart. Сердце. Yeah, we're going to chorus, yeah? So skip the next several lines. That's the second half of the verse, yeah? Skip to chorus. Сердце, it's bigger, thicker letters, yeah? Сердце, oh heart. Let's go. I read it, you read after me. Сердце, тебе не хочется покоя. Let's try. You remember the tune? It goes on that, that rhythm. Let's go together. Сердце, тебе не хочется покоя. And 1, 2, 3. Сердце, как хорошо на свете жить. Right? We will do this one more time and slower. Before we do that, I'll translate it to you. Сердце is heart. Тебе, you, не хочется, don't want. Покой, calm. You don't want to be calm. Сердце, it should be the same spelling really in the Latin. Как хорошо, хорошо, you know, how good, how well, how wonderful. На свете, in the world. Свет is light and the world at the same time in Russian. Жить is to live. How wonderful it is to live in this world. Let's do these two lines slowly. Go with me in the rhythm of the song. 2, 3, and сердце, тебе не хочется покоя. Та-та-та-та. Сердце, Как хорошо на свете жить. Пятое. Carry on. Сердце. Как хорошо, что ты такое. Окей? Как хорошо, что ты такое. Let's go together. Как хорошо, что ты такое. And stop. Как how. Хорошо is good. Хорошо. Что? That. Ты is you. Такое. You're like that. Yeah? Такое. Just like that. It's good that you are what you are. The heart. Yeah? And the last line. Спасибо, сердце. Thank you, heart. Что ты умеешь так любить? Okay, let's go again. Спасибо. Спасибо, сердце. Что ты умеешь так любить? Okay? Спасибо. Thank you, сердце. Heart. Что? That. Ты. You. Умеешь. Can. Are capable of. Так. So. Любить. Love. Thank you, heart, that you can be in love like that. That you can love like this. Okay? Now, let me see. I have 7 people joined us since then. Last time I looked at us. Yes, 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 yes. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Welcome if I haven't seen you yet. We're going back to chorus. And we will try to sing it with text. I'll sing it in more or less perfect Russian. You sing it as well as you can, la la la, or text, or whatever you can catch. So we're going from chorus only. That's in the middle of your score, where the key, the mode changes from minor to major. Сердце. With text. Let's go. Сердце, тебе не хочется покоя. Как хорошо на свете жить. Сердце, как хорошо, что ты такое. Спасибо, сердце, что ты умеешь так любить. Chorus one more time. Тебе не хочется покоя. Сердце, как хорошо на свете жить. Сердце, как хорошо, что ты такое. Спасибо, сердце, что ты умеешь так любить. Right. I think we're now, let me unmute you a little while.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Wonderful. Let me see. Anything I need to know? Missing сердце. Yeah, there might be some typos. You know, I always do this file a couple of hours before the session, so sorry about typos. I have no time to proofread it. Yeah, hope you're okay with this. Don't be perfectionists. Just have fun. Okay, let's see if we can do the whole song. Now, we haven't done the second block of text, the second kind of half of the verse. Let's do the verse twice with the first text, straight to chorus. That will be what we have in the music. We'll go twice through the first bit and twice through the second bit, okay? So it'll be verse, verse with the same text, chorus, chorus. If we have time, we can do the middle bit, but you know, it's all good. It's all about love and happiness and being happy with living here and, you know, being emotional and all that. Let's go from the beginning. Как много девушек хороших, как много ласковых имен, но лишь одно из них тревожит, унося такой сон, когда влюблен. One more time. Как много девушек хороших, как много ласковых имен, но лишь одно из них влюблено сердце, тебе не хочется покоя. Сердце, как хорошо на свете жить. Сердце, как хорошо, что ты такое. Спасибо, сердце, что ты умеешь так любить. Скоро с ума намотаем. Сердце, тебе не хочется покоя. Сердце, как хорошо на свете жить. Сердце, как хорошо, что ты такое. Спасибо, сердце, что ты умеешь так любить. All right, how is that?
Lovely.
Okay,
Absolutely lovely.
Lovely. Excellent.
So we have some time. I don't know about this extra text bit. Not sure. I need to do my announcements now, right? Now, if you have chat, prepare to write something in chat now, because I have a couple of questions. If we have any new people, please tell me how you found out about this. I'm interested about what works, because we need to keep, bringing people in. It seems like these sessions will carry on for a while. I'm doing this until we're out and about in big crowds and doing choirs, yeah? So 10 sessions, then a break, then another block of 10 sessions, and I'll carry on. So, yeah. So if you have any thoughts about how to spread the word and bring more people in, please do. Now, yes, the concert the day after tomorrow will be Yiddish and Russian. The people from Moldova, Yefim Chorny and Susanna Gerbers, are fantastic. There will be no video of that session, of that concert, so be here. It's quite a rare thing to see them online. They like to hide themselves. Now, the next thing, it was lovely to see somebody in Lewis here in not far from Brighton in UK, learning the songs on accordion. This lady put 2 songs that she learned from our sessions on Facebook, her playing Gari Gari Moya Zvezda, a Russian art song, and one of the Yiddish songs. She's learning it on accordion with the music that I provide, and she's playing these things. It's fantastic. And some people are commenting on my page. There was an interesting comment yesterday. I'm not telling you what it was, but it's interesting to read. Just go all the way down to the end of that, bottom of that page. It's very interesting. Another thing, yes, my question to when is concert? The schedule of these sessions is on Sing With Me page on my website. Russian session, Yiddish, Russian, Yiddish. Concert is the 5th one usually. This time the 5th one is the 11th. But please look at my webpage. Everything is there. Yeah. And if you could bring more people to the concert, those who don't want to sing but want to watch the concert, please do. Now, I want to ask some of you who are tenors and high sopranos if the keys I choose are okay. I know that this key should work for most people, but for some of us it may be uncomfortable, too high, too low, too something. I need to know how generally these keys are for you. If many people say, we are sopranos, we want to go high, see what I can do. I can choose songs with smaller range, but I'm risking, to expand a bit. Yeah, changing octaves. Yeah. Because we could sing this song a third higher. We could sing it in the original key. Would you like to do that? Do you want to go higher today? I don't see too many people nodding, so let's not. Okay. I know, Duncan, you'd like to, eh? Yeah, maybe a couple of tenors from my choirs. Now, what else? Yes, I promised to tell you about warm-ups. You know what? I want to sing with you. Let's sing, and then I'll tell you about warm-ups. Because the fragment from that film I posted on Facebook is amazing. It's great. It shows almost what I sound like when I warm up. It's very squeaky. Now, let's go back to our file. let's do the same we did just now, one more time, and this time I'll just show you text, yeah? And here is what I do. It won't be exactly the same. And let me place it in my head, because I say one thing and then do something else. We sing the first half of the verse together, then I will play it, and you can sing whichever verse you want. You can go la 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 la, you can sing the second half if you know Russian, because you may want to sing Lyubov nechayana nagrянет, love takes us by surprise, and carry on. I know some of you will want to do that. And then сердце chorus twice. Wait, I'm hearing someone. I'm hearing someone. Yes. Yeah, muted now. Yes. All right. Как много девушек хороших, как много ласковых имен, но лишь одно из них тревожит, унося покой и сон, когда влюблен. You sing. Last line, one time. Спасибо, сердце, что ты умеешь так любить. All right. Good. Now I see the 6 minutes, 14 seconds left. It means that we can sing it one more time. Are you up for that? Sing it one more time. Yes. Oh, look, I see some of you are making use of that, of these hand signs. This,
Polina, can we do the second verse?
Second verse. You want second verse?
Let's do the second verse.
Quickly. You think we can? All right. Wait a second. Let me mute you. I guess we are doing the second verse. You're forcing me. Now, the only thing I can say about my warm-ups is that I kind of ignore them because there's nowhere to warm up. Even before a concert, I usually share a dressing room with a colleague of mine who is also a clarinetist or a singer, and it's quite tricky. So the best warm-up I've had was in Kiev, where there was no backstage, and my colleague Lauren, whom some of you know, and myself were queuing to go to the bathrooms, but not as the audience were doing it, to go and do their bathroom things, but we went there to warm up. So I was in the bathroom and I heard him going, oh, and I was going, oh, and the audience waiting for the bathroom were all hearing us. It was fun. I won't tell you anything else about warm-ups. We'll do it some other time. Now, second bunch of text, you're looking at Lyubov, right? Lyubov in the middle there, yeah? Любовь нечаянно нагрянет. And let's say it straight away. Любовь нечаянно нагрянет. Любовь is love, good word to know. Нечаянно, not unexpectedly. Нагрянет comes like a thunderstorm. Когда ее совсем не ждешь. Let's go together and now. Когда ее совсем не ждешь. When you don't expect it at all. Next line. И каждый вечер сразу станет. And every evening will become immediately. Together. И каждый вечер сразу станет. Next line. Удивительно хорош. И ты поешь. Удивительно is wonderfully хорош. Good, хорошо, хорош. И and ты, you поешь, sing. That's my speed translation, okay? We're going to try and do it straight away. Here, 3 minutes, 30 seconds. The whole song all the way through. Fast, fast, fast. Let's see. Как много девушек хороших, как много ласковых имен, но лишь одно из них тревожит, унося покой и сон, когда влюблен. Любовь нечаянно нагрянет, когда ее совсем не ждешь, и каждый вечер сразу станет удивительно хорош, и ты поешь, и сердце тебе не хочется покоя. Сердце, как хорошо на свете жить. Сердце, как хорошо, что ты такое. Спасибо, сердце, что ты умеешь так любить. Сердце, тебе не хочется покоя. Сердце, как хорошо на свете жить. Сердце, как хорошо, что ты такое. Спасибо, сердце, что ты умеешь так любить. Спасибо, сердце, что ты умеешь так любить. Right. Less than a minute left. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope to see you sometime soon.
Thank
Love
you.
you all.
Love you all. Hey, bye.